Once I've set my thresholds, now I can go in and start doing my checks. And we'll start with the DCMA 14-point analysis, which we can find here. Now, what we can see is every single check and whether or not the result is a pass or a fail based on our criteria. If we click into one, for example, missing logic, it will tell us all of the activities that break this check and why they break this check. In this case, it will be predecessors or successor counts. There's two unique things about the health screen in the nodes and links system. The first is this element where we can isolate exactly what is at fault and why. So for example, if I go to high float here, it will give us the high float values. The second is that we are actually able to segment it by various means. So in this case, we're able to segment all the way down into the WBS structure. And we're also able to filter and add columns to the table. So for example, I can say I'm only interested in high float activities that break the check within construction, within the independent retail unit, which are these, that start and finish between these dates. So I can do a search, or here I can say is equals, greater than, less than, or within a range. What I can also then do is I can download this table by clicking on the export button so that I have a record of it. What this enables me to do is to send out information to multiple team members, so multiple people can be working on the schedule at one point in time.